How's it going, guys? Panda Taco coming at you with an all-new video on how to fix a crack in your windshield for about $10. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Alright, well, thanks for watching so far. This is the repair kit that Amazon sent me. Like I said, 10 bucks, and this is what you get. This is the packaging it comes in. This is kind of like a nice Ziploc baggie, I guess you can say. But let me dump out all the stuff with one hand. So there it is, windshield repair kit, do it yourself. As advertised, it says you do this in less than 20 minutes with no special tools required. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you the crack in my windshield. It's about the size of a nickel, maybe a hair bigger than that. I'll point it out to you. The reflection's kind of bad on the windshield. It actually kind of looks cool. You can kind of see the clouds. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix this. Reason why, if this spreads through the rest of my windshield, for those of you guys that don't know, it could be pretty costly, right? It could be in the hundreds of dollars. So I've waited, you know, around 4 or 5 months, probably a little too long to fix this, but we'll go ahead and see how good this repair kit is. Alright guys, so finished up the project here, and I think it looks pretty good for about 10 bucks. Like I said, it's nice and smooth. The resin filled in the cracks. It is about the size of a dime instead of a nickel, so it's definitely went down in size. It looks like it's going to stop the spread of the crack, which is initially what I want it to do, which is why most people do this quick fix, is so that you don't have the cracks spreading throughout the entire windshield, because once that happens, then your windshield's shot and you're going to need to replace that, which is costly in the hundreds of dollars. So this is a quick fix for $10, like I mentioned earlier. And if you guys have any questions on the install, please let me know. Don't hesitate to ask me a question in the comments below. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and Panda Taco out. Thanks for watching, guys.